Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to your date format tutorial and also these things. Here, let me show you a closer look at
Date
this.
format 2008 9/14 11 11 11 percent sign M, percent sign D, percent sign capital Y. You're probably like, what does this mean?
Well, I'm gonna tell you. So, in the last video, I'm not sure if I used quotation marks for my dates. I don't remember. But they are in quotation marks, just so you guys know. So, dates, put them in quotation marks. Now here, these represent values. The M represents the month, the D represents the day, the capital Y represents the year. Alright, so if I ran this, it would take this date and it would return the month, the day, and the 4-digit year. So the end result would be 909, because this is the format for a 2-digit, I think that's 2-digit. 09, 14, 2008. If we want, this is how we can get this format. If this is the format desired to be inserted in a database or retrieved or shown, then we need to format it in this format. So if we want to change this, such as put the year first, we can actually switch these by putting the Y first. I don't even know if you can see that. %M, %D, %Y. I'll explain this, what the percent sign means. The Y can be put at the first and the M can be put last. And then when we get the results out, it'll be 2008. Oh, not, well, the month, if we put the Y at the beginning and scooted those two over, then it would be like this. So that was just an example. Basically, these represent a value of a date. So it's percent sign, and then a letter, A through Z. I think they use every single letter except G and Z, and some are capitalized, some are not. So, for example, percent sign M represents the month, lowercase m, you see? And if we change this to say a lowercase d, it represents the day. So we can use these secret codes. I don't even know why I'm doing that. But anyways, we can use these to format the date the way we want it to. Alright, so here are some common secret codes, as I like to call them. This is the year, capital Y. The reason it's capital, if it's a lowercase y, it represents a 2-digit year value, so like 95 or 82, you get the point. So these are all lowercase, MDHISF, so year, month, day, hour, minute, it's an I. You gotta realize it's not an M. Well, yes, because M is representing the month, I represents the minute, sorry. S is the second, and F is microseconds. So, I line these up in this order to be in an order, so year, month, day, hour, minute, second, microsecond. And I remember these by your mom, so, your mom drinks his, H-I-S, Frappuccino. I know that doesn't look like Frappuccino, but that says Frappuccino. Your mom drinks his, H-I-S, that's how you spell his, Frappuccino. So now you can be like, what's that one code that represents the minute? And then you can spell why your mom drinks his, then year, minute, day, hour, minute, second, microsecond. So you can figure it out by memorizing that. So that's just a little secret I sat down and practiced and memorized. So yeah, those are some more of the secret codes. So you can use these to manipulate time. For example, like timestamps. You can take the years, the hours, and then the months with the actual month name, so January. And you can all change this by the representative letter that you choose. I know this all is like really confusing, but just work with it, it'll make sense, because you should know this, because if you don't know this and you're trying to get like a databasing job, they're gonna laugh at you if you don't know how to format a date, because this, you should know this basic stuff, and you will have to format dates in your databasing. And if you don't know it, they'll laugh at you, and then they'll be like, and they'll be like, lol, and then they'll be like, raffle, and then they'll be like, LaMayo, 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 ah, ah. But yeah, you get the point. Better know these. Here's another example of a function that you can use to manipulate time. So we have somebody submits a date in this format, April 4th, 2009. Now, MySQL might not understand that because they don't know they don't know this garbage. They have to teach them this. It's a database. It's not a human. They don't. So what you do is you tell them what is what. You say %, capital M, or this right here basically means the month name. So it has the month names programmed. It'll know that this will be converted to a 4. So January, February, March, April, 4th month. Then the D for the day. So it goes, yeah, so 2. And then capital Y for the year. So it will convert it to 2009 04 02, which it'll convert it to an acceptable date for MySQL. So that is how you convert dates and manipulate dates using representative characters or secret codes. So yeah, in the next video I will be talking maybe some more about this, maybe some more about something else. Whatever it is going to be sweet. So yeah, catch you later, subscribe, and please click like, or wherever it's located, click the like button.